Today I made coconut jollof rice and I thought to share. Hello my beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well and you're taking life a step at a time, right? If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, kindly do well to subscribe, like and comment, okay, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to see our videos each time we upload. Now parboil and wash your rice. Heat up your cooking oil, saute your onions, okay, add your ginger and garlic paste, stir together to combine. Introduce your thyme and curry, add bay leaf as well, stir everything together, let it fry for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you introduce your tomato paste, stir properly to combine and allow it to fry until they begin to separate from each other. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate your effort in making sure that this channel grows. Thank you. So while that was frying, okay, we blended our tomato mix and we're going to add it at this point. Stir properly to combine as well and allow it to fry together with the tomato paste. At this point, I covered it and allow it to fry until everything is well fried, and then I added the seasonings, stir together to combine, and I will introduce the chicken stock at this point. Then stir together to combine and allow it to fry together a little bit before introducing the rice. At this point, you can taste and adjust to any lacking ingredient. Then it's time to introduce the properly washed rice. Emphasis on properly washed rice. At every given time you're cooking jollof rice, white rice, or coconut rice, as the case may be, make sure to wash your rice very well. So after adding your rice, you stir together to combine, and it's time to take in the coconut milk. For the coconut milk, you can use the store-bought coconut milk, or you can prepare yours from scratch. Go to the market, get coconuts, break them, remove the coconut inside of them, okay, blend it until it's smooth, then use a cheesecloth or a sieve and sieve the water. There you have your coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk, you can decide to add crayfish, but I'm using shrimps in place of dry blended crayfish. Cover it at this time and allow it to cook. And here it has cooked, okay. We're going to stir just in between to enable the water on top to go down. After stirring, you're going to cover it again to enable the water to dry properly. I just want to remind you that you haven't hit that subscribe button, okay. Subscription is free. Kindly do well to follow our channel for more videos. At this point, I open the pot again. The rice has properly dried off and everything is perfectly cooked. I'll just fluff it out, as you can see, to enable everything, you know, combined together. After fluffing it out, okay, the rice is ready. I'll just garnish it with diced carrot, okay. If you have any other thing you want to add, prawns, fried prawns, anything of choice is okay here, and the rice is done. You can serve this with a coleslaw or just eat it like that with any protein of choice. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Until I see you in my next video, do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.